National officials of the Umkhonto Wesizwe. Yesterday, on the 2nd of June 2025, President Jacob Zuma met with the national officials of Umkhonto Wesizwe to reflect on the state of the organization. As part of the deliberations of the national officials, the matter pertaining to the recent trip undertaken by the Secretary General, Floyd Shivambu, to Malawi, was reflected upon. After lengthy discussions and considerable inputs from the national officials, it was concluded that the actions of the Secretary General were found to be against the spirit and prescripts of the MK party in constitution. Most specifically, Section 3J, subsection J, under the section that deals with offenses, which stipulates the following, and that's the subsection J: undertaking international trips and participating in activities and programs that are opposed to the agenda of the MK party or allied party. Noting that on the 12th of March 2025, the Republic of Malawi's Chief Resident Magistrate delivered a ruling that granted the South African Republic's request for the extradition. It is common knowledge that Bishop Shepherd Bushiri and his wife, Mary Bushiri, skipped bail and are to return to South Africa to stand trial on various charges. Based on the deliberations by national officials, it was confirmed that the trip was not an officially sanctioned program of the organization or the president, which therefore goes against the constitution of the party. The MK party and its leadership has been approached by members of various sectors of civil society and has taken due consideration of the gravity of this matter. Due to the various nature of this matter and its implications for the party, its image, values, and principles, the president and national officials were left with no other option but to act swiftly in addressing this matter. Consequently, as a responsible organization accountable to its electorate and the broader society, the national officials have come to a decision to redeploy Commander Floyd Shivambu as the Secretary General of the party and redeploying him to the National Assembly. We believe that his redeployment will strengthen the MK party caucus as the official opposition, as Commander Floyd Shivambu carries a wealth of experience as a former member of parliament. We would like to thank and acknowledge Commander Shivambu's contribution as both the national organizer and Secretary General of the MK party, and the role he has played in contributing to the advancement of the organization. His invaluable skills and experience as a politician will continue to benefit the MK party in his new role to which he is deployed. The national officials have had discussions with Commander Floyd Shivambu, engaged with him pertaining to his redeployment, and he has duly accepted this particular position as directed by national leadership. Thank you.
Thank you.